Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our very, very good students from lab. And today we shall be reviewing tongue coating and the kidney yin deficiency. Okay. Okay. So if you have a red tongue without coating or the coating is peeled, no? Basta makita mo lang red yung tongue tapos walang coating. That means there is stomach and kidney yin deficiency. Okay, so usually pag may kidney yin deficiency ka, meron ka ring stomach yin deficiency, right? So when you look at the central part of the tongue, there's no coating as well as the kidney part, the posterior third. And this coating has also lost its root. No? When you say rootless, para siyang carpet na nawaksi, na hindi na siya ganong kaganda, hindi na ganong ka-continuous, no? So that's what we mean by rootless coating. Although Machocha says that if there is rootless coating, it's still stomach chi deficiency. But again, I think this is a given that if you have kidney yin deficiency, um, almost always meron ka na ring stomach yin deficiency. So due to lack of fluids, no, insufficient material is available for the formation of turbid steam that contributes to the formation of the coating. So kulang na yung yin. Yin is fluids, no? So, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng peeled coating, may nawawaksi na. So automatically, when you have a red tongue and then meron kang rootless coating, although it may not have lost, the tongue may not have lost the coating completely as long as red yan siya, no? So meron ka ng stomach and kidney yin deficiency. So what is the function of stomach chi? We need the stomach chi to be able to ferment solids and liquids. And during digestion, a little dampness will rise to the tongue, and this one is the reason why we have a thin white coating. Okay, so that means if you have run out of sufficient yin, hindi na ninipis na yung coating ng tongue mo. Okay? So you need the stomach chi in order to have a very um, normal, thin white coat. So, if meron tayong deficiency, yin deficiency, to be more specific, too little moisture goes up. And so, how will this manifest? You will have a peeled tongue or a coating that is irregularly distributed. Okay? So, yun. And the same energetic imbalance will create an old-looking coating. So I'm sure you've encountered patients na ganito yung tongue. Although they look young, but when you look at their coating, medyo pang matanda, no? Okay. It looks dry and it looks like you can easily wipe it off. Okay? So, yan. So, where a new fresh coating should have appeared, the old coating remains next to a raw or dry area. So, why does formation of new coating, why doesn't a formation of new coating occur? Because there is lack of fluids or there is exhaustion of an injury to fluids. So, if this happens, meron kang tongue coating na rootless without root. And so, eventually you will have a dry tongue or the coating disappears completely. Okay? So yun. So if you have a red tongue with no coating at the root, but it is red and dry, so definitely that's kidney yin deficiency. Okay? So if you do not resolve the kidney yin deficiency, it will transform into kidney fire. Kaya namumula na yung tongue. Although less severe pathology, this is also true for pale red tongue na walang coating sa root or discolored reddish root. So, even if the tongue color is normal, as long as wala kang coating sa root or discolored yung root mo, reddish yung root, okay, you have kidney deficiency. Okay? Now let's go to your favorite part of the discussion, the tongue pictures, no? So here we have the tongue of a 28-year-old female. Symptoms niya are panic attacks with tachycardia and pain in the chest. So, tachycardia, isipin mo baka may heat, no? Okay. Pain in the chest, may stagnation, inability to fall asleep, and fatigue. So think of deficiency there. Fits of rage, red, feeling of heaviness in the body so that baka merong dampness, no? So the Western diagnosis is cardiac neurosis. So background to disease, excessive anger and frustration, okay? Unsatisfactory emotional relationships, and excessive consumption of sweets, okay? So let's describe the tongue. It is red or slightly red and swollen, no? Nakita nyo, swollen po siya. Okay? So when it's swollen, there is dampness. And if the color is red, there is heat. Okay? So there is damp heat, accumulation of damp heat. And the coating is peeled in the anterior and posterior thirds. Did you notice it? Okay, only the central part, although napaka-irregular niya, there is peeled coating in the anterior and posterior thirds. Okay? So that means there is lack of communication between the heart and the kidney. Okay? Kasi pareho silang walang coating. Okay? Do you get it? Heart and kidney, fire and water. Okay? So pareho silang walang coating, so hindi sila magko-communicate. Pareho silang walang coating. Okay? So, the peeled coating there will actually tell, okay, as you can see here, even the stomach area is slightly peeled. So we're thinking of stomachian deficiency. Okay. And the coating in the center is white, nakita nyo, and slightly greasy. So when it's white and greasy, think of dampness, think of turbidity. Okay. So um, the damp turbidity is the one that's causing the blockage of the stomach chi. And remember, we need the stomach chi in order to have a very good tongue coat, right? Mm. Okay, let's go to the next one. This time we have a male patient, 25 years old. Okay, symptoms niya, inner restlessness, feeling of heat in the body, vertigo. Na kapag vertigo yan, think of phlegm talaga, no? Or dampness. Soft stools, so this is very deficient young. Uh, occasional night sweats, so meron siyang yin deficiency. Incorrect background to disease, incorrect treatment with Radix aconite lateralis preparata. So this must be a sort of an herb. Radix means the root. So, you see, pag nagkamali na magbigay ng, okay, probably this herb might be giving you more heat, no? Or more young. Kaya, yon. So let's describe the tongue. So as you can see, it is red, really red and swollen. Okay? So, anong sabi natin? Pag swollen, there is dampness. Red, there is heat. Okay? So, Um, kung nakikita nyo, it's the sides of the tongue. So accumulation of damp heat in the liver and gallbladder. And the coating is peeled in the posterior third, as you can see here. So that means posterior third, there is kidney yin deficiency. And you see a lot of spots or thorns in the posterior third as well here. Thorns. So, pag may thorns yan, may mga spots, no? That means there is fire. So since it is located in the posterior third, these are kidney fire. And then we have a deep vertical crack with yellow coating. Um, I would like you to use this as a guideline. Pag nakita mo yung tangga nito, no, pag phlegm fire or phlegm heat yan, may parang laman yung crack, no? So it's a deep vertical crack with yellow coating. So there is phlegm fire in the stomach. Okay. Next, we have a 23-year-old male. Symptoms niya, intense dizziness. Okay, I was talking about the vertigo kanina. Di ba totoo? May phlegm yung pasyente. Phlegm fire. Okay? Although hindi naman sinabi dito kung nafe-feel ba siya. Okay, the reason of the vertigo here is the hindi umaakyat yung clear chi sa head because of the phlegm. Okay? Okay, so much for that. Let's go to the next one. We have a 23-year-old male complaining of intense dizziness. There is feeling of heat in the head and parating naka-bad mood and may smelly loose stools. By the way, our stools should not be smelly, no? Kasi pag smelly yan, may heat or damp heat, no? So Western diagnosis, vertigo. I'm sure binigyan lang ng medication, no? So background to disease, overwork, caffeine abuse, and emotional problems. So tingnan nyo, itong emotions talaga, it will really make things worse, no? Okay, so the tongue is red and the sides are swollen and red, as you can see here, no? And a red tongue will actually tell us na meron kaagad kidney yin deficiency, no? Red tongue yan. Di ba sinabi natin kanina, pag red yung tongue, automatically kidney yin deficiency yan. And the sides are swollen. So the sides would represent the liver. Um, ano siya, parang nakataas siya. So there is ascending liver yang. And if you try to look at the tongue closely, it is deviated, no? Slightly deviated. Hindi siya straight, no? No? So pag slightly deviated yan, um, this can be a sign of an impending stroke. So meron siyang internal wind, no? Internal wind. Okay? So probably because of too much heat, too much yin deficiency. And the tip of the tongue is swollen and red. Okay? So there is heart fire. Okay? So peeled coating in the posterior third, that's kidney yin deficiency. Okay? Now let's go to the assessment. Who would like to volunteer? Dr. She, would you like to volunteer? Busy ba?
I'll try, Doc.
Okay. Yung try mo talagang ready yan. Hindi ka naman kailangan mag-prepare because you look at tongues every day. No? Mm.
Yeah.
Ang, sige. Talagang nagme-merienda. Ano ba yan? Pangapunan na. Okay.
Nagutom ang driver.
Okay. Sige. Go. We'll do this fast. Okay. Anong problema dito? Crack tongue. So that means we have a tongue na may mga cracks at saka napaka-prominent yung crack sa sides na maiikli. Okay?
Hmm.
When you say sides, it may not actually be it may not be the entire ano ha. So don't confuse that with the liver. Kasi
Mm-mm.
um, usually kasi pag liver, hindi naman ganun ang crack. Hindi naman nakikita yung crack eh. It's usually the color.
Mm.
Okay, so what is your answer here?
Spleen, spleen siya, Doc. Spleen.
Yeah. Spleen chi
Spleen.
deficiency. Chronic spleen chi.
Chronic spleen.
Yeah. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yin deficiency because hindi naman sinabi na walang coating, no? Oo.
Mm.
Okay, ang galing. Wow, sobra. Okay, number two. Crack tongue pa rin. Ah, tapos may crack sa center, umaabot sa tip.
Heart, heart chi deficiency, Doc.
Galing naman. Oh my God,
Heart
I'm proud of
patterns.
all of you.
Mm.
Wow, amazing.
Mm.
So Palawan should be very lucky, no? Kaya nga I'm excited to actually Mamaya ko na sabihin yung Acu-Wellness program, which I think it's more community-oriented, no? At saka having you at the part of our foundation, it's really an honor. No, talagang kinareer mo talaga, no? Okay, let's go to the crack talk. Ay, welcome din pa. Anong nangyari kay Sir Jobel? Sino itong mga bago? From ano to? From Bacolod, no? Very good.
Yes, Doc.
Sige, I'm thinking of starting the Acu-Wellness program. It's basically transferring everything, like we're focusing more on the tongue, the pulse, and
Mm-mm.
to gua sha, to auriculotherapy, and yun. And we hope that the TESDA, um, I actually have a big program for the Rotary this end of the month. Wish me luck. And also, Jensen. Anyway, okay. So, na-amaze sila sa program because I think it's for the first time that we're trying to really bring wellness to the community. No? But and
Sama kami, Doc.
ay, sige, mamaya na pag naano na, yung sa Jensen, ano pa yon? Parang getting to know pa yon. But my purpose there is really for the tuna. Charot.
Mas
Sali
masarap
din
pang
kami,
tuna sa
Doc.
Palawan.
Yeah. Siguro sa Palawan. Hindi, ano lang tayo dyan. Mag-ano ka muna. Sige, I will let you know, ha? Oo, kasi sabi nila, mas maganda yung, there are more chances of having PRC accreditation if you are accepted. No? Um, I'm excited. And it has to be original. It has to be something, ano, medyo talaga may puso. Okay, let's now go to number 3. Okay, may crack pa rin yung tongue mo and it's deep red. What does it mean?
Stomach heat.
Hmm, hindi pinag-usapan dito yung coating. Mga,
Okay.
bas,
Kung cracked heart pa rin siya, Doc.
although, pag pinakita sa iyo yung ano, wait lang. Pag heart kasi, nakafocus ka sa tip, no? Ito naman, it's actually the whole tongue that is deep red. At saka, isipin mo na
Mm-mm.
may mga cracks, no? Para kang,
Yung deficiency with heat.
yeah, so meron,
Kasi heat siya, pero anong org?
ano na siya din,
Okay. Excessive heat na siya.
excessive heat
Okay.
consuming
Yung
body.
deficiency
Mm.
of fluids.
Yeah. Deep redness.
Parang more on ano to, Doc, mga diabetic ito siya ng mga tang.
Yeah, yung mga grabe yung ano. By the way, bukas if I won't be late, we will have diabetes patterns. Um,
Mm.
is it tomorrow? Ah, yeah, okay. Same time. Number 4, thin tongue. Paulit yung thin. Ano? Thin tongue
Pain.
tapos pale.
Yin deficiency, Doc. Blood and yin
Blood
deficiency.
and chi deficiency. Chi
A
deficiency.
blood
Ano,
deficiency.
actually, wala kang makikita masyado pag chi deficiency. No? Kasi may
Mm-mm.
deficiency na very early, but they
Mm-mm.
go together, So, ang ano kasi dito, yung blood, thin yung tongue. No?
Mm-mm.
Kulang na.
Mm-mm.
Number 5, malapit na. Thin tongue, dry, deep red tongue. Manipis, payat yung tongue, tapos
Mm-mm.
dry. Sa pag dry yan, think of fire na ha. May fire,
Oo.
tapos
Mm-mm.
deep red. O di ba?
Eh,
Pag naisip mong thin yung tongue, tapos dry, tapos deep red, anong isipin mo ngayon? Di ba nag-usap tayo kanina, pag red yung
mm,
isipin mo na kaagad, think of yin
blood.
nagkaroon ng empty heat, no?
Mm.
So,
Mm-mm.
ibig sabihin pinabayaan lang, so nagkaroon na ng hyperactivity na of fire due to yin.
Mm-mm.
And I'm so happy to see some of your, like katulad ni Sir Mark, no? Nagpapakita siya ng mga differences ng ano after the treatment, no? So,
Mm-mm.
it doesn't just happen like ano. Usually pag uwi niyan
Yes.
naman ulit. So you
Mm-mm.
need to really keep on treating the patient until.
Yes.
Pero amazing, ha? Okay. Number 6, swollen yung tongue. So
Hindi
pag
per.
swollen yan, think of heat, no? At saka deep red.
Dampness.
By the way, sorry. Pag swollen yung tongue, you don't
Dampness.
have the time. It's the color, deep red. It takes up the
Mm-mm.
entire space of the mouth. Laki-laki na yung tongue niya. Actually,
Sobrang maga.
ano to? Deep red, take note. Definitely we think of heat,
Heat.
excessive heat because deep red
Mm-mm.
in the heart and spleen. Pero totoo lang,
Mm.
talaga nag-occupy. Napansin nyo? It's actually the spleen and the heart.
Oo.
No? The liver.
Meron akong ganyang ano, Doc. Meron akong ganyang pasyente.
Hmm.
Pero ang problema niya is meron na siyang liver cirrhosis.
Hmm.
Tapos, actually marami na siyang problema eh. Pero ganyan na ganyan yung tongue niya.
Okay, good. Congrats. Pag liver cirrhosis kasi, it's irreversible. There's nothing you can.
At saka yung ano, Doc, dun sa medical, ano niya talaga, may problema talaga yung spleen niya. Yun nga palagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, Dok, ano ba yung spleen ko na mamaga? Spleen ko na mamaga.
do. Oh,
Ganyan siya.
yun na.
Hmm, tama.
Sabi yung heat. Number 7. Ito naman, swollen tongue. And then, pale siya. Hindi siya deep red. Ha? Swollen,
Hmm.
swollen siya pero pale. Tapos may mga tooth prints or teeth marks.
Yang deficiency?
Yes.
Spleen yang deficiency.
Yeah. Of spleen and kidney, usually. Okay, kaya tingnan nyo mabuti. Usually pag affected yung kidney, but not all the time. So tingnan nyo mabuti yung likod, no? Number 8, swollen tongue, bluish purple, dark.
Stagnation?
Dark na siya, ha? Yeah, of course, there's already toxicity. Toxic.
Toxicosis.
Yeah. Number 9,
Mm.
swollen tongue, pwedeng red or normal yung color.
She deficiency daw.
Wait lang.
Ay, swollen na
Red
pala
siya.
siya.
Red siya.
Yes.
Cannot be yet deficiency.
Mm.
I'm
Swollen.
red.
Kasi red na siya.
Red, swollen. Anong sa utak
Mm.
agad, dali?
Heat.
Daphne.
Yes.
Damp.
Damp,
Mm.
damp,
Damp heat.
damp cold, damp heat.
Dump
Damp
heat.
heat.
Damp heat. Ang galing talaga.
Okay, damp heat.
Amazing. Okay, then last one. Swollen tongue, pale, and damp.
Mm.
Hindi siya red. Yung sagot mo
Cold naman siya. Yeah, yung cold.
anong pattern yan?
Phlegm.
Ano?
Damp cold.
Mm,
Damp cold.
mm,
Yang deficiency, Doc.
Young deficiency. Ang galing. Uy, congrats Congrats everyone. And I'm happy because we ended very early. Thank you so much. Tapos na.
Thank you, Doc. See you
Thank you.
tomorrow.